Okay, so since this is my first vlog, I really don't know how I'm going to structure these, but we're just gonna do a trial and error. Basically, think of this, instead of keeping it locked, think of it as unlocked, okay? No real format, just things. So in this episode, I'm taking you guys on the day of getting ready for the ICT Slay Hair and Fashion Show. It's the first annual one. So we'll jump right into that. Okay, so this is my first attempt at vlogging. Don't laugh, okay? Okay. So what we're gonna be doing today is going to the ICT Slay Hair and Fashion Show. I'm modeling one of the barber's hair cuts in the show at some point today. So I'm gonna get dressed and finish washing my face and all that stuff, and I will check back in a second. All right, keep it locked, keep on watching, okay? Bye. Okay, so running a little bit late right now, but I mean the show don't start till 6:30 anyway, so we should be fine, right? I think so. We're gonna see. Anyway, we're gonna see what happens. So we here, right? It is like, excuse me. Ooh, excuse me again. It's like 5:20. 5:20 about. Everything lady ain't here. We were talking about we need y'all to wait outside the building until the doors open officially before we start taking people in. Knowing very well it is 80-something degrees outside and it's hot. So why would they do that? Why would they do that? I don't know. Anyway, hold on. Let me turn on the car because I'm just sitting here and it's hot outside. We are done. I'm recording until my battery dies, but we are done. That was fun. That was cool. I had a good time. A little bit tired, but we'll see how this goes, all right? Also, good thing to know, always bring food with you whenever you go into like places where you ain't gonna eat for a while, because homeboy is hungry. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Actually, I got fish at home, so I'm gonna eat that when I get home. I need to eat some actually good, healthy food, so we gonna do that. We gonna eat that. But ICT Slay was a success. I had fun. All right, bye. So that was my day. Yes. Things that happened that were hilarious. Oh, so there is this booth of people selling fried chicken and fries and coleslaw, right? Now, before I even go to the fried chicken and coleslaw, I went to the bathroom. I have to urinate a lot. I don't know, TMI, I don't care, whatever. I got pee a lot. I drink a lot of water, ergo, you know, like the Nile River through Africa. So I'm in there, the dude talking about, hey, they got some fried chicken. It's pretty good. They got chicken wings. I'm like, okay, cool, whatever. You know, like I'm thinking it's just some random person. Turns out he's the guy who works at the thing. I go to the thing. I'm getting chicken wings and fries and stuff. Like, y'all take card? They take card. They say, you want a free soda? Sure, I'll take a free soda. I'm like, I got a Sprite. They got like a Shasta thing. I'm like, she said it's a free soda. I'm like, you right, it's free. I'll take the soda. I'll take the free soda. So I get the free soda. They got the little square thing, you know, that you use on your little mobile device. So you can just use that instead. They swipe and it ain't working. They try to enter it and it ain't working. Other girl come in, she trying to work the thing. She said, that's why it ain't working, because y'all ain't got no internet on the thing. So then I'm making sure this still recording, I'm sorry. She fixed the thing. And then it still ain't working. Lo and behold, it's like $8. So, and I had like $6 of cash, but whatever, I had no money. So she said, well, don't worry about it, I'll just pay for it. I gotta figure this thing out. I said, really? She said, yeah, go ahead. I said, okay. I opened the box. You know them little chicken drumettes you can get from like Costco or Sam's? Them little ones that they be serving at weddings and like, you know, family reunions. and barbecues and cookouts, them little bitty things, they were selling photos, a big old handful of fries with no salt, and a little bit of coleslaw for $8. All that for $8. You know, if you, in this Lent too, you know, if you would go any church on a Friday, in a Catholic church, whatever, you can get 2 big fish fillets and coleslaw and like corn and bread and a slice of pound cake for $8 and a drink. Like, come on, man. So there was that, but it was free, so I wasn't mad. Then the lady who I was modeling for, Ruth, she just did some touch-ups on my hair. By the way, check out these designs. So that is that. And then she did ICT Slay on this side for, you know, because that's the name of the show. So she did that. I don't know why I keep thinking this thing ain't gonna record nothing. So she did that. She added the pencil on those and the glitter and the red and stuff. So it looks really cool. Like, I really love it. I need to figure out a way to, like, maintain it. I'm going to take a lot of pictures of it tonight so I can, you know, for longevity, for posterity's sake, obviously. So I did that. Waited a while. It was about 2 hours before we actually had our turn. But I was watching all the other models and all the other people doing their fashion shows, people doing hair. There was this one stylist who did, like, really cool rainbow colored hair. Like, it was just like the way she did the bob or whatever on this girl. It was really cool. Like, there were some really cool fashions and styles. Miss Charlene, she could have found her some stuff. There were no church fashions, but she would have brought some stuff, I'm sure. So anyway, we get we go, but we didn't realize we were going until the dude on the MC on the stage was like, all right, now it's time for Ruth. And we're like, wait, that's the bar, like, that's us. So we get to the thing, music start playing. I start walking, first the girl starts walking in front of me, then I go, and then we do the whole thing. And it was over like a little bit. Everyone walks up, everyone does a little thing, show their hair, show their hair, show their hair, show their hair. Then we all walk back into a line, and then we all do the little model walk and then walk through the little so whatever music was playing, I don't know. But we do that. Have a clap, 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 clap. It was cool. I'm done. And I'm here in my house. So it was fun. It was fun. I would definitely do it again. For me, myself, just as a person who likes to aspire to do many things and as many things as possible, especially when it comes to just the creative arts, whether that be through music or visual media like YouTube or hair or modeling or whatever, or music or anything like that. Just the you know, those types of creative arts. I love that stuff, and I just like to dabble as many areas as possible and to put myself out there and get any type of exposure, you know. Hopefully there were like, I want to say like 5 or 6 photographers at the end of the runway taking photos of everything. So hopefully with those photos, someone will see and be like, hey, yo, dude with the dreadlocks, we need him for a shoot. And then the girl, Tia, who was, she's like one of the producers of the event. Is that what you call a producer? It's called a something. A person who advertises. What's that called? A person, an event planner, event coordinator. Y'all know what I'm talking about though. It's got a name. Promoter. Event promoter. She a promoter. She does that. She like she does a lot of events around Wichita. But they'd be like, yo, Tia, we need this person. She'd be like, oh, cool. I got his info. And then, you know, just slide that to that person and I could just have more opportunities that way. That would be cool. Again, I don't know why I think this thing ain't gonna record nothing. So that's basically what today was. So I apologize if this vlog is not as vloggy as you thought it would be. My phone battery was kind of low and I'm sitting next to the phone right now, which is why it is plugged up and I'm in my bedroom. But yeah, so yeah, that's about it. There will be, oh Lord, I gotta keep coughing, Lord. I'm gonna take some NyQuil and give me some good sleep tonight. especially for the gym tomorrow. But yeah, I don't know if y'all like this vlog, or give me some tips on how to make it better. How about that? Because I need help, obviously. I really do. Yeah. So there will be a new video next Monday. Which is kind of nice. I kind of liked having a break this week. So, oh well, yeah. For truth be told, I love making videos. I love making content for you guys. And there are things planned in the future. But for me, on a personal note, it definitely gets, what's the word? A little bit hard to record, edit, and put it up or upload it in a timely fashion because the amount of effort it takes to, not to set up everything, but more so just doing like all of the grooming and hair cutting and all that stuff for the video. Like before the camera even turns on, I have to like you know, I bought new lights, but set up the camera on the tripod, set up my my lower light to you know, to light like this area, my little neck area. Set up that, wash my face, moisturize, prime, BB cream, fill in my eyebrows, get rid of all the redness and even out my skin, and then cut my hair into whatever it's going to be for that tutorial or video, and then finally hit play. So there's a good 15-20 minutes of like stuff of like pre-production. Not pre-production, I would say pre-production before we even start the filming part. No, that would be pre-production. You're right, Justin. You're right. So yeah. So after doing all that, it's like I normally I will shoot 2 videos at once. So one time I even shot 3 videos at once, just because it's easier to do it that way. But I'm off topic, way off topic. But anyway, well, if y'all like this video, click the like button. Don't forget to, what's that thing I say? If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe as per usual. And if you've already subscribed, hit that bell notification. It'll give you push notifications of when I upload videos, which is normally every weekend. Mondays, Sundays, sometime around the weekend area. I really need to get a cough drop. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm coughing all over this video. And yeah, social media. Also, shout outs to Ruth. I will link her social media in this video as well. Follow her on Instagram. Her cuts are awesome. Her designs are so fly. And she, you know, did this lovely masterpiece for me and the 9 other models that walked in our segment for Ruth's designs. So definitely do that. Well, yeah. All right. Cool. Well, I guess that's it. If you haven't watched last week's video, do that. There's a playlist right there, some stuff. Let me know if you guys want to see more vlogs. My life is pretty boring, but there are blips of exciting things in there. And also, don't forget to click that subscribe icon. I will see you later. Peace. Bye. Keep it locked.